Good morning, yallers and yawns. Bradley here at Proformance Unlimited. Today on the dyno, we got an LS 441 cubic inch engine, painted root beer. That's the color of the block, root beer. Guy wanted root beer, he got root beer. It's shiny, it looks good, sounds great, performs amazing, and it's going on an airboat. So, all you airboaters out there, give us a call. We'll be happy to hook you up with an LS or a Godzilla of your liking, and or a Windsor, whichever one that you like. 1-800-267-3940.
Up on our high RPM and down to our target idle.